Numbered lists in Microsoft Word can be infuriating. You're using your own custom numbering format, and despite formatting a separate list, it continues numbering from the previous one instead of starting again. Why? The reason is the text styles. The solution to this is, if you want the top level of a list to restart every time, don't allocate it to a style. These two multi-level list styles show you the difference. These two both use the same numbering format: 1, 1.1, 1.1.1, and so on. The style that's in the list library, it doesn't have any words next to the numbers. That means none of the levels are allocated to any styles. To apply the numbering, you need to select the text, go to the multi-level list button, then click on the style you want to use. When I do this again to a separate list, the list starts again at 1. Now let's look at the other list style. It does have text next to the numbers, which means each level is allocated to a style. This could be more intuitive for users because now you can select text and click on a style instead to apply the numbering. But watch what happens when I format a new list. The numbering continues from the previous one. There is only one difference between the two list styles. One is allocated to a text style that appears in the Styles pane, the other is not. In summary, if you want to create a custom list style and you know you want the numbering to restart for each separate list, don't allocate any styles. Apply the numbering via the multi-level list button. Allocating the numbering to styles makes sense for text like headings, section or chapter titles. This list has allocated all its numbered levels to the heading styles. Format this text with heading 1 and it starts at 1. Format this paragraph as heading 1 and we get what we expect. It's got the number 2 and carries on the numbering. This is despite the fact it doesn't immediately follow the previous heading.